The Falcon Nexus EF steering stabilizer tie rod clamp kit for the JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator allows you to reposition the Falcon steering stabilizer so it sits on top of the tie rod and adapts it for aftermarket tie rods. It is available for 1.5 inch and 1 5/8 inch tie rods, and it includes a new Falcon badge and sticker and all necessary hardware. Begin by removing the Falcon EF steering stabilizer from your Wrangler or Gladiator. Remove the bolt connecting the track bar to the axle. In cases where the track bar relocation bracket is installed, remove the bolt closest to the factory location. Install the post mount stud using the factory flag nut on the backside. If you happen to have discarded the factory flag nut for whatever reason, a regular flange nut is provided as a replacement, but the flag nut is far easier to install. The bracket will need to be removed, so set it into a vise and heat up the area around the stud on the backside with a torch or a heat gun. This will loosen up the thread locker, keeping it in place. Turn the stud clockwise or to the right to loosen it from the bracket. Pay special attention to the direction you are turning this stud. It's different from what you are used to. Let it cool down and replace the O-ring with the one provided. Put some thread locker onto the stud and feed the top of the clamp onto it. Place the clamp into the vise using some rags to protect it and tighten the stud. Over-tightening can damage the stud. You will still be able to rotate the clamp once the stud is tight, so you don't have to worry about aligning it at all. Attach the Falcon stabilizer to the axle with the clamp resting on the tie rod. Center the steering stabilizer. You should see 4 inches of chrome shaft on either side of the body. Install the bottom of the clamp using the provided hardware. If you have the adjustable Falcon steering stabilizer, you will need to reorient the knob's position on the shaft. Turn the knob counterclockwise or to the left all the way. It is now in the soft position. Loosen the screw at the end of the shaft. Take a 16mm or 5/8 inch open-end wrench and tap the knob until it pops loose. Rotate the knob until the word soft faces forward and then tighten down the screw, holding the knob in place as you do so.